this field in the UK. Many fewer, really.
Yeah.
And the technology is moving so fast, which is why we're installing the machine. This one is 10 years old now, and we have to keep up.
It's a better resolution camera, basically. That's
Yes.
what we're getting.
Yes.
Yeah, it's extraordinarily powerful, but it's completely safe for human tissue. So there's no known adverse effects.
And how did my experience working with the families? So when the families actually do come in for a scan, as you can imagine, sometimes it might seem like a bit of a challenging experience to go into this big university to have a scary brain scan. So what we try and do is create a really fun and engaging experience for them. And so far we've had some really good feedback. So what's actually involved is, once we get the families into the university, we really kind of try and explain the step-by-step process and using really child-friendly terms, because it can be, a bit challenging coming into an environment like this, as you can imagine.
On the floor here is always Vivian and Matilda, like at least 4 or 5 people, so there's always enough staff on the ground to talk to parents.
Yeah. And the research in general within what you're doing in terms of sort of the early years work and things like that, have they got much sort of knowledge and understanding of the bigger picture, I suppose, of what you're looking at?
It's even bigger. They have to demolish half the wall into there.
And can you get from, apart from sort of the image quality and things like that, are there more things that you can find out from?
I think you can. Shall we take a seat?
Yeah.
Peter, do you want to sit? That's the thing. I mean, it really is just like a camera, and the way that digital cameras have improved. It's the same process, really. So I think what's changing is that the new technology is allowing us to look at the connections between areas. Initially, we could just look at whether the brain area was more active or less active, but the new technology is really helping us look at how brain areas are connected.